Magnet Magic for Kids. In their room full of toys, Leo and his little sister Chloe found a mysterious box. Inside were two shiny objects, a red magnet and a blue magnet. "What are these?" asked Chloe, tilting her head. Leo picked up the red magnet. It was smooth and a little cold. As he moved it, he accidentally touched his little metal car. Clink! The magnet stuck so tightly to the car that Leo could lift it just by holding the magnet. "Wow, it's magic!" he exclaimed. Chloe laughed and grabbed the blue magnet. She wanted to try the same magic. She brought the magnet close to her soft teddy bear, but nothing happened. The magnet touched the fabric and fell gently onto the rug. "Why doesn't your magnet like my teddy?" asked Chloe, a little sad. Leo shrugged. "I don't know. Maybe it chooses its friends? Let's go look around the house." And so the two adventurers set off on a mission. In the kitchen, Leo had an idea. He went up to the big refrigerator and placed his red magnet on it. Clack! The magnet stuck instantly. Leo laughed, happy to see the magic was still working. Chloe looked around and saw a beautiful wooden chair. She ran to it and tried to stick her blue magnet on the leg of the chair. But once again, the magnet slipped and fell to the floor. "This is so unfair," she said, frowning. Leo spotted a set of keys on the table. He moved his red magnet towards them very slowly. Clink! All the metal keys rushed to cling to the magnet, forming a jingling bunch. "Look, Chloe, I caught a bunch of keys." Chloe saw a metal spoon next to a bowl. This was her last chance. She held out her blue magnet, and clink, the spoon stuck. Chloe's face lit up with a huge smile. "It works! My magnet found a friend." Leo and Chloe sat on the floor and looked at all the objects. On one side were the car, the refrigerator, the keys, and the spoon. On the other were the teddy bear and the wooden chair. "I get it," said Leo. "Magnets only like things made of metal." "They're metal treasure hunting magnets," added Chloe, very proud of their discovery. From that day on, Leo and Chloe loved playing with their magic magnets, always searching for new metal friends hidden around the house.